Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how to make these absolutely delicious cheesesteak stuffed peppers. Oh my goodness, they're so good, y'all. I can't wait to show you guys how it's done. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up for me. Without further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. Okay, here's what you need. You will need some Italian seasoning, salt, ground black pepper, cayenne pepper for some spice. Also, you will need minced garlic, a little bit of olive oil, and also you will need onion. Make sure you thinly slice your onion. They'll cook faster. Here we have some ribeye steak. You can never go wrong with ribeye steak, y'all. Here I have the bell peppers. These are so sweet and nicely colorful. Perfect for this recipe because I just love sweet peppers. They're so good. And now we're going to get started. To start, I am going to thinly slice my steak. Once I'm done, this is what you have. All right, now we're going to season the steak. All the seasoning, the measurement will be below for y'all. Okay, so check that out. Okay, we're going to add the seasoning one at a time. Okay, just pour it on there. And if you're new to my channel, please, you like the video, subscribe. Let me know that you're new so I can welcome you, and also leave a nice comment below for me. Now we're going to add the ground black pepper, the cayenne pepper. Of course, you can add more to make it spicy. And also I'm adding my Himalayan salt right in. We're going to stir everything together. Now, the seasoning was a little too dry. I went ahead and added a little bit of olive oil. I usually add the olive oil before, but forgot. So I add a little bit of olive oil, mix that together. Then we're going to set that aside to marinate while we prepping our peppers. All right. Now this is what it looks like before I put it on the side, just to show you guys how it looks. And I did went ahead and add some Creole seasoning to this. You will see it later on in the video. Now this is the bell peppers. I'm cutting them that way because the way I cut my steak, I feel like it wasn't gonna actually go in if I cut it the other way. So I'm cutting them straight in the middle. I do have another bomb stuffed pepper recipe. I will leave it down below for you guys. You guys loved it. That's why I decided to make this one, because I'm like, y'all might like this one too, because this one is fire. Okay, so once you're done cleaning your bell peppers, they should look like this. We're going to place them on a tray or baking dish. We're going to bake them. Before you add anything, bake it for 20 minutes so they can be nice and soft and tender. Because the steak, you don't want to overcook it. So you gotta cook the bell peppers ahead of time. So in this skillet here, I am going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Once that is nice and hot, we're going to add our garlic. We're going to cook the garlic for about not even a minute, 30 seconds, I guess, not even. I added my onions because I didn't want the onion and the garlic to burn, so we're going to cook them together. Once that is nice and soft, something like this, we're going to add our steak right in. Now the steak is very thin. Be very careful because literally this can go wrong in a split seconds. Okay, you can dry the steak out before you know it, so don't overcook it. Now you'll see I'm adding a little bit more seasoning because I'm like, it's missing something. Okay, so I went ahead and add about half, I'll say a teaspoon of Creole seasoning. Once it's done, take it out. It's ready. don't cook it anymore because you will dry this steak out. Of course, you can add some mushroom to this if you love mushroom. Now you're going to grab your peppers in the oven. Then we're going to add our provolone cheese in there. I'm not sure if I show you guys the cheese in the beginning. I don't know. But yeah, you will need some cheese, honey. So we're going to add the cheese first at the bottom, one layer of the cheese at the bottom. Then we're going to add the steak on top, and then we're going to add some more cheese. So keep watching, you'll see how I do it. All right, once I'm done, I am going to add some more cheese on top, which is the provolone cheese. And later on, guys, I went ahead and add more cheese because I want it to be extremely cheesy. So I went ahead and add some more cheese. So stay tuned to see how it looks after. But if you want just that one layer of cheese is fine. Okay, we're going to place this in the oven on 350 until the cheese is nice and melted, which will take about 5 to 7 minutes. Ooh, look at that. I went ahead and add some more cheese, y'all. And I added some more cheese, which is the pepper jack cheese. Oh my God, y'all. This came out so good, y'all. So good. I will add some rice to it. It was so delicious. Try this out, y'all. Try this out. You will love it. Extremely delicious. Try it out. Let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching, guys. Be sure to give the video a look how cheesy it looks, y'all. You see this? Give the video a thumbs up for me and also subscribe if you new. I will see you guys on the next video. Right? Bye.